Take a drum lampshade and draw a level vertical plumb line. Take some non-bending straws and start to arrange them in a random zigzag pattern. Place a line of glue. Lay this straw on the lampshade. Spray paint your new lampshade to attach the shade to a lamp base for your bold and beautiful new lamp.
Take a variety pack of macrame, wood rings, and a balloon. Then begin hot gluing the rings to each other around the circumference of the balloon's surface. Pop the balloon inside. Take a plastic bag and painter's tape. Tape off the portion of the wood ring shape and use spray paint to cover up the exposed portion. Remove the bag and the tape and add a lampshade and a puck light. There you have it, a cheap way to create your own easy DIY cordless table lamp.
I'm going to grab me some solar lights. I'm going to grab me about 100 feet of nylon rope. Blow up this dollar beach ball. Then I got to get out some Portland cement because we need to coat that rope. Now, on that beach ball, just start laying that rope all the way around. Tuck that last bit in. Make sure you cover all that rope. We want it to stiffen up as best we can. And just puncture the beach ball. Just go ahead and pull it through one of the bigger openings and start squirting all the string. And you're just going to powder it with the cement. We're going to grab that dollar light again. Take out the bottom part. Go ahead and put it right into the ground and lay it on down. Once it's in place, it just looks really good, just sitting there. But once night comes, look at it light up.
The next time you are at your local dollar store, pick up some wire garden hanging baskets. Turn one wire basket upside down and place on top of a second basket. Secure together by using 3 zip ties that are placed equidistant from each other. Take a string of LED lights, hang the battery box inside the basket globe and connect to the top. Turn the lights on and wrap the lights evenly around the globe, both vertically and horizontally. Secure the end of the light string to the basket using a twist tie. Using a leafy garland of your choice, start to tuck and glue the different leaves to the wire basket globe. Now, remember all those chains and hooks that you removed from the baskets? Let's put them to good use. Reconnect these chains of different lengths to the hooks and tighten the hook back together using some pliers. If you have a porch swing, here is a fun way to hang the globes without drilling additional holes into your porch ceiling. Thread the stick through your porch swing ceiling hooks to create a horizontal rod and hang your garden globes from the branch. Use your remote to turn the lights on and enjoy the warm glow of your new outdoor lighting.
Pick up one garden border from your local Dollar Tree. Cut the spiked bases off. Add small black zip ties to attach the wreath form to the border fence. Wrap the border fence with small twinkle lights all the way around. Add greenery of choice around the top of the border fence with hot glue. There you have it, a cheap way to create your own boho-inspired pendant light for your home for less than $10.